Are you looking for new and exciting ways to create video content that's both cost-effective and professional without compromising on quality? We provide the tools to create amazing animated doodle and whiteboard videos that will help you stand out from the crowd. Scribbleo allows you to create professional quality doodle videos at an affordable price. So affordable, in fact, that Scribbleo can be downloaded and used for free. Yes, that's right, free. No strings attached. No commitment, no credit card, no try before you buy. Import your SVG vector art or choose from our growing library of artwork. Then animate your art with our easy-to-use animation tools. Draw in, draw out, scale, move, opacity, and more. Control timing in our powerful keyframe editor and output your video as either MP4 or PNG images. You can also upgrade to our Pro version that gives access to even more features. Experience the power of Scribbleo for yourself at scribbleo.com. What will you create?